Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this comparison are available in the description below. Please remember this video reflects my personal experiences. Goldman Sachs versus Citizens Bank, which reigns supreme? This video breaks down the offerings of both institutions to help you determine the best fit for your financial needs. Goldman Sachs, a powerhouse in investment banking, wealth management, and asset management, provides a suite of services through its Marcus by Goldman Sachs division. These include high-yield savings accounts, certificates of deposit, CDS, and personal loans. If you're seeking advanced investment opportunities, comprehensive wealth management, or high-return financial products, Goldman Sachs is designed for you. Their services are generally geared towards individuals with substantial assets or businesses requiring financial advisory and investment strategies. Marcus by Goldman Sachs is particularly appealing for individuals looking to maximize their savings with competitive interest rates and no fees. With its global presence and strong emphasis on wealth building, Goldman Sachs presents an excellent option for those prioritizing long-term financial growth. Citizens Bank, conversely, delivers a more traditional banking experience, offering a comprehensive array of services. From personal checking and savings accounts to mortgages, auto loans, and credit cards, Citizens Bank caters to both individual and business clients. A distinguishing feature of Citizens Bank is its significant local presence, particularly in the northeastern United States, and its robust customer service. This makes Citizens Bank a solid choice for everyday banking, with an extensive network of branches and ATMs. Their online platform, Citizens Access, also provides competitive savings rates and CDS for customers who prefer to manage their finances digitally. This allows individuals to grow their wealth without needing to visit a physical branch. In summary, if your focus is on sophisticated investment strategies, wealth management, or high-yield savings options, Goldman Sachs emerges as the clear winner. However, if you value traditional banking with personalized customer service and local accessibility, Citizens Bank might be the better choice. Be sure to explore the links in the description for more detailed information on the products and services offered by both institutions.